Hi, welcome or welcome back. I just wanted to take a minute to show you a great resource that is free on the Budget Mom website. Today I printed out this particular envelope set. It's free. It's called Flower Theme. It's great. You don't need any fancy kind of envelopes when you're trying to save. You just need something to put your cash in. These, you just print them out. And it's just a little bit of cut and some tape. There's plenty of room for your bills, for your dollar bills in these envelopes. Then you just label whichever particular envelope you're saving for. Also, I printed out the emergency fund, and this one comes with 2 envelopes. I'm going to be starting my emergency fund over, so this one says, "When life gives you lemons." It's adorable. I love it. Super easy to just print these out and cut them up as many as you need. These are not the only sets that she offers. She has quite a few different sets of cash envelopes, and they're free. Like I said, all you have to do is just print them out, tape them up, print as many as you need, and it's free. Free is good when you're starting out, when you're starting a new budget, when you're starting out the new year. If you're new to cash envelopes, just start out with something like this and just kind of see what you want to do before you commit to everything. I know there's so many things offered on YouTube, on the internet right now, but just try something free. See what you think about this. I love the fact that this one also includes lines with the amounts and the balance, so that's going to be really helpful when I'm starting my emergency fund back over, just to keep up with it. Love this one. I need to go ahead and cut this one out and tape it up also. So yeah, just visit the Budget Mom website and see if you can go ahead and print you out some of these. See you next time.